What is PBL? Project-Based Learning Explained. Have you ever looked at your learners and thought, they're capable of so much more, if only they were engaged? We've tried everything, games, rewards, pep talks, but the spark isn't there. That's where project-based learning comes in. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what PBL is, how it works, and why more and more schools are shifting away from traditional teaching and towards a learning model that actually prepares kids for life. Let's dive in. Project-based learning, or PBL, is an instructional model where learners gain knowledge and skills by working on real-world problems over an extended period of time. So instead of memorizing content for a test, learners apply what they're learning and solve meaningful problems. And then they problem solve and think critically to do well on the test. So it's not just a project at the end of a unit, it is the unit. Content is embedded in the process. It's driven by questions, collaboration, and reflection. So let me give you a quick example. Let's say that your standards cover ecosystems. In a traditional classroom, you'd likely lecture, read the textbook, and maybe do a worksheet or a quiz. Then you build a diorama or maybe present a trifold. But in a PBL classroom, your learners might partner with a zoo near you. Zoos often have an educational department, so it's an easy partnership. A zoologist launches your unit on ecosystems and explains why they're so important. Your learners then create enrichments appropriate for animals in different ecosystems. You top it off with a trip to the zoo to see the enhancements in action. Same standards, totally different level of engagement. A lot of people confuse PBL with doing a project, but here's the key difference. The traditional model gives you a lecture, activity, quiz, review for the test, and then do the engaging project. The PBL model, you start by launching the authentic project on day one. The project is the learning. You teach content through the project, not in front of it. Now, your standards are necessary to solve the real-world problem. So instead of learning first and applying later, your learners are applying right away, which means the learning sticks. In our zoo example, the zoologist is launching the ecosystem project before you've taught anything about ecosystems. The zoologist challenge is why you are teaching ecosystems. You and your learners have a why for these standards now. At Magnify Learning, we use the 6 A's framework to guide our PBLs. Let me give you a simplified version of what makes PBL fantastic. Authenticity. That's the first A. Learners solve real problems that matter to them and their community. Active exploration. They research, they get hands-on, they engage with the real world. Applied learning. They use academic content to do something meaningful. Academic rigor. It's not fluff. Standards are deeply embedded in this work. Adult relationships. Learners work with mentors, experts, and community partners on a regular basis. Number 6, assessment practices. Learners are reflecting, revising, and presenting their work publicly, and you know that they've mastered those standards. It's rigorous, it's relevant, and it's transformational. Check out more YouTubes on the 6 A's in the description below. But hey, if you're already thinking, wow, this would be awesome, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also find some more resources at whatispbl.com. That's whatispbl.com. But that like button helps more educators find this video and join the PBL movement towards deeper and more purposeful learning. Now you may be asking, why PBL and why now? Well, let's face it, the world that our learners are walking into is, to say the least, unpredictable. Employers today aren't just looking for content knowledge. They're looking for problem solvers, communicators, collaborators, people who can lead and adapt. Project-based learning develops those skills. It doesn't just prepare learners for a test. It prepares them for life. As an aside, it does prepare them for the test as well. In fact, Dixie Elementary was a Title I elementary that went from a D to an A in just 2 years using project-based learning. Babcock Neighborhood Schools is a K-12 charter system that's grown 796%. That's right, 796%, and they've done it while fully embedding PBL as their instructional model. side over. But it's a common question. Are we really addressing the standards? Are we preparing for the test? Your kids will be prepared for the test. We see it over and over again. But they're really doing it through these 21st century skills. So here's the thing. This isn't just theory. I've seen it work in classrooms all over the country. I've seen disengaged learners come alive when they realize that their work matters. One of my former students, Skylar, the kid who just wanted to skateboard every day, turned into a nationally recognized photographer because of project-based learning. It helped him become a lifelong learner and gave him purpose. Now he has sponsors like Coleman Camping Gear, Monster Energy Drink, Nike. This is a kid from the southwest side of Indianapolis that grew up in generational poverty. Now he has options galore. And he would have it come all the way back to that PBL classroom. Because in a PBL classroom, what you'll see is learners working in teams, learners asking big questions, learners presenting to real audiences, and yes, learners wrestling with feedback and conflict and revision. If you want to see it, come visit one of our PBL model schools. You can hear, feel, and see the difference. And once you see it, you just can't unsee it. You're going to want that in your classroom, in your school. To see if you're ready to get started with project-based learning at your school or your district, go to pblscore.com. You answer 15 quick questions. You get a customized report with key insights and resources to help you take your next step. It's customized specifically to you and the answers that you put in. So go to pblscore.com. That's pblscore.com. Or check out this next PBL video on how to create a PBL vision teachers buy into.